This video shows how to use OrbitNote and Equatio with your PDFs. OrbitNote is easy to get started with. Visit the website orbit.texthelp.com to sign in if you don't already have it installed. Then, you may drag and drop a PDF locally from your machine or open an existing PDF from Google Drive. At the bottom of your browser window, you will notice the OrbitNote toolbar. Now open the Equatio Chrome extension in the upper right-hand corner of the browser. Notice the Equatio toolbar will open just above the OrbitNote toolbar at the bottom of the page. You may now use Equatio to easily insert your math and STEM answers right on top of the PDF inside OrbitNote. To get started, I'm going to use Equatio's screenshot reader to pull a box around the math problem I wish to solve. This will allow me to hear the math read aloud.
4x minus 3 equals 9.
I can then select the More button and choose Edit with Equatio and pull the math right off the PDF and into my equation editor to solve. Show your work, and once you have a solution, simply select Insert Math, and the solution will embed right into your OrbitNote PDF. You may then select this crisscross to select the inserted math and move it to the desired location, or you can select the bottom right corner to resize the answer. To hear your answer in full, click on the play button to hear the entire solution read aloud.
5 lines line 1. 4x minus 3 equals 9 line 2, positive 3 line 3. 4x equals 12 line 4, 4/4 x equals 12/4 line 5, x equals 3.
To learn more about OrbitNote, visit texthelp.com.